Alan Conkling Garage Door Service has been serving the Chester Springs area for many years now. One of our satisfied customers, Spencer Dean, writes, "My garage door finally works thanks to your company and wonderful staff. I love the fact that you were able to come out the same day to repair the garage, and I had everything working within an hour of arriving. This was definitely the service I wasn't expecting, but sure glad I received. Thanks for all your hard work today." As you can see, customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. So, if you are looking to service or install a new garage door, call Alan Conkling Garage Door Service for all your needs.